Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today I'm sharing my overnight oat recipe with you guys. We are going to use two flavors, blueberry banana overnight oats and strawberry overnight oats. This overnight oat recipe is the perfect make ahead breakfast. There is no cooking involved. It's a delicious and healthy breakfast you'll love. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. We're gonna start with the strawberry overnight oats. In a mason jar, place half a cup instant quick oats, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, half a cup oat milk, quarter cup protein yogurt, quarter cup chopped strawberries, 1 tablespoon honey. Then stir well to combine. Cover with the lid and set aside. Now let's move on to work on blueberry banana overnight oats. Combine half a cup instant quick oats, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, half cup oat milk, quarter cup blueberries, 1 tablespoon maple syrup. Then stir well to combine. Cover with the lid and refrigerate this for 4 hours. With this recipe, I'm using instant quick oats because I don't have to let them sit overnight in the fridge. They only take 4 hours to hydrate. But if you are looking to make a batch for the next day, I would recommend that you use old-fashioned rolled oats. It's been 4 hours. Now we are going to top the blueberry banana overnight oats with sliced bananas, blueberries, and toasted almonds. This one, guys, is my favorite. Next, top the strawberry overnight oats with chopped strawberries and sprinkle with a little granola for a bit more crunch. It's so delicious, guys. Eat them cold, top with berries and nuts of your choice. They are absolutely fantastic. Also, you can use any type of creamy milk product. It works great for this recipe. You can even use water, but I enjoy richness that comes from milk. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Please subscribe and hit that notification bell. And don't forget to give this video a like. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.